Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. Today I'm going to show you how to listen to local radio on your iPhone. It's important to note up front that Apple hasn't integrated an FM chip into the iPhone, so it can't pick up FM broadcasts directly. But don't worry, you can still listen to your favorite local stations through internet streaming, and there are several ways to do it. One of the simplest options is to use Apple Music. If you already have a subscription, you can search for specific radio stations directly within the app. It's pretty convenient, but keep in mind that Apple Music relies on third-party services like TuneIn to stream those radio stations. So if you prefer, you can go straight to apps like TuneIn Radio, iHeartRadio, or My Tuner Radio. These apps give you access to a wide range of local radio stations, and they let you search for a specific station if you already know the one you want to listen to. You can even browse by country to discover stations from around the world. Another option is to download the official app of your favorite radio station, if they offer one. Many local radio stations now have their own dedicated apps where you can listen live, catch up on shows, and stay updated with news and events. If you'd rather not use an app, you can always use your web browser. Simply visit the radio station's website. Many stations offer live streaming directly from their site, which is another easy way to listen to local radio. One thing to keep in mind is that all of these options rely on an internet connection. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data, make sure you're connected to stream your local radio without interruptions. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you enjoy your favorite local radio stations on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you later.